What happened?
It kind of just slipped out of his hand, but it might be good. It didn't curve.
Yeah, it didn't curve.
You might get 5 of them down.
Ooh.
Pretty good. Looks like 7. 7 made it.
Oh, you gotta scoot over like I showed you. You gotta use that arrow button. Hit it over 3 times. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, definitely. This way you might be able to pick it up.
Good
Perfect.
job.
You might get right down the middle. Ooh, Steven.
Oh, it curved almost. Whose turn? Got a ball.
We don't want zeros, remember? Zeros, we don't like them. All right.
Go ahead, Jeannie.
Go ahead, Jeannie.
Leave the one pin.
Always the one.
That's the pin you're supposed to knock down. All
Your
right,
turn
Steve.
again.
Oh, my turn again. Steve's supposed to keep me reminded.
He's Steve and you're Jeannie.
I think I'm going to take it. Steve, look.